As you see, this is our first arm drop drag race out here today. And it's really not very big, kind of on purpose, so we got a learning curve to do here. And we do have some heavy hitters out here, of course, today, as you see, and some people that race a lot. And they're here also to help give me input on how to make this and turn this into a really nice and pleasant event for everybody. So as you see, we're out in the middle of the hill country. Can't be any sweeter than that. We got a dear friend right here with his airport landing strip. As you see, goes on for a distance. And as you see over my shoulder, you'll see his place to put airplanes here. And it's been nice of Steve Kennedy and T. Kennedy to help us with all this. And of course my shop manager, Chris, everybody at my shop, long list, all helping to get this accomplished. So here we go. Kind of like American graffiti out in the middle of nowhere.